Hey y'all. So I wanted to show you something really quick before I go back in the house and get out of this hot sun. So I don't know if you all know, but one of my favorite teas is raspberry tea. So I just figured out how I'm going to be able to have some raspberry tea for free. Okay. So we're out here in the field, and it's usually a lot of deers out here, and I think I know why. So we found the raspberry bush. We found it over here. See all of these beautiful raspberries? And nobody comes over here and sprays anything, which is a great thing. So you see over here all of these beautiful raspberries. So yes, I will be coming out here to pick some. I've eaten some off of here before, washed them, cleaned them real good, and ate it. But right here, as you all know, the raspberry leaf is beautiful when you're on your menstrual cycle, cramping, or having birth. This is the leaf you want to go for. So right here we have fresh raspberry leaf. So I will be out here to harvest some. I will probably clip this whole bush right here, this whole stem, I'm sorry, all of this. They have sticker brows on them, so I'm going to make sure I'm well prepared with some string, some yarn and everything to tie it. And then we're just going to clip some of these when they're well and ripe. So, yeah, I just wanted to share this with you all. So I'll probably get some of this. See all these beautiful leaves back here. Watch out. Always want to watch your surroundings. We in the wilderness. We in the fields. But you see this, all of this right here, all of these leaves, that can be made as tea. So what I will definitely do is rinse. Look at that back there. There you go. That's what you're looking for. Stuff y'all be picking up in the stove. That we be picking up in the stove. But look at there. You see that right there? All of that is raspberry leaves. But yeah, you use these raspberry leaves to make beautiful tea, beautiful medicines. But I'm going to make sure to talk about this more in our Patreon once I get this project going. But I just wanted to share with you all how God blesses us, okay? We're going to go on down this way. And there's a lot more out here. Like this is dog fennel. You can use that for wounds and some other things. Here's raspberry. You got to know how to find it. Raspberry leaf. Raspberry. Right here. All right here. So I just wanted to check in with you all and show you this. Okay? Talk to y'all later. Peace.